Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram because Threads ties into that account. This is essential. Tap your profile, then the Threads icon or open the standalone Threads app. Once there, look for the Settings gear or three-dot menu. This is the first actionable step so you can access notification controls. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple profiles, because changes apply to the active account. Doing this prevents accidental toggles on the wrong profile. Once done, enter Settings, then Notifications. Threads may list notification categories like Messages, Activity, Mentions, Live, and Suggestions. You now systematically review each category. Tap Messages to silence DMs, Activity to stop likes and follows, and Mentions to avoid tag alerts. Make deliberate choices, toggle off for everything you don't want, or choose granular options to keep essentials. This reduces interruptions while preserving important alerts. If you want to finish, back out of Settings and confirm your toggles persisted. Threads usually saves changes automatically, but double-check. Then, verify device-level notification permissions in your phone settings. If the app is allowed on the OS level, it may still show alerts. If notifications persist, log out and back in, or reinstall the app to clear cached settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't masking the issue, and if necessary, unlink and relink account connections to reset notification behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.